A Day in My Life as a Student in GFA. Pauwi naman version. Pero, hindi naman siya accurately ganun. Yun nangyari lang sa akin kanina. Okay.
Sasakay na po kami ng jeep. God gave me you to show me what's real. Ayun guys, may mga nagbubombero dun, oh.
Bombero yan eh!
Like, this is the galley. It's check guys ang GFA here, like, this is the galley. 빛이 내린다.
Pero kung sakaling maano, dito. Ayan. Ayan. Sarap tam. Ayan.
And yes, mag-answer na po tayo ng CLA. On my way home, I experienced an environmental barrier that made it difficult to hear and communicate clearly because of the sounds and noises around me.